In this video, I'm going to show you how to plate up the chocolate Marquise. It's all in the container here. So we'll start off by removing the cellophane. The first thing we're going to need is the Marquise itself, which is the chocolate terrine sat on the paper, and we're just going to put it on the middle of the plate. I'm just going to turn it out and take the paper off. So what you need to, the reason why we need to do that first is because we need to let it come up to room temperature a little bit. So once it's come out of the fridge, it's a little bit hard, but once it's started to warm up a bit, it's really soft and very rich. So then we've got our spiced cherries after that. And we just want to take a nice spoonful, and then we'll just let them on the end of the Marquise and just sort of let them fall off. And we'll take a few more and dot them around the dessert. We'll see if we spoon some of these juices out of the bottom. Just let it fall off the spoon. And we'll take our creme anglaise. We'll take the lid off. Underneath there's a cling film. We'll remove that. The top's already been cut for you. So we'll just shake it down. And then we're just going to put a series of different sized dots in the gaps. And a couple on top of the chocolate terrine. We've got ourselves a little bit of mint cress in here. And we just need a few little leaves. And then lastly, we've got roasted chocolate tuille. We just want to wedge that into the terrine. It should be soft enough to let the tuille go in and then stand up, and that'll give the dish a nice height and it'll make it look quite visually impressive. And there you've got chocolate Marquise with spiced cherries and roasted chocolate tuille.